Welcome to the final video in this series. We have our rulebook, our assembly line, and our secure AWS connection. Now it's time to turn our blueprint into real infrastructure using Terraform and see the full pipeline run live. Terraform is an infrastructure as code tool. Instead of clicking around in the AWS console to create resources, we define them in code. That means our infrastructure becomes something we can review, version control, and automate, just like application code. In GitHub, let's look at the Terraform folder. This main.tf file is the blueprint. It defines exactly what we want to build in AWS. In our case, we're building a compliant S3 bucket with encryption and public access blocking enabled. Now let's see how Terraform fits into the pipeline. Let's go to the config file in .circle.ci. Under the Validate Terraform job, there are 3 commands that run in sequence: Terraform init, Terraform validate, and Terraform apply. Remember that the Validate Terraform job only runs after both OPA validation jobs have passed, so by the time Terraform runs, the security checks are already done. Okay, I'm back in Circle.ci. Let's watch the full pipeline run live. Instead of pushing a commit from GitHub, I'm going to trigger the pipeline using Trigger Pipeline here in the top right. Select Main and click Run Pipeline. You can see the pipeline starts. Watch the job order. Let's click into the Validate Terraform job. You can see that Terraform init, validate, and apply are complete. At the end, a real S3 bucket gets created in AWS. All 5 jobs are green, so the pipeline is complete. And here in Amazon S3, you can see the S3 bucket has been created. And that's cloud security automation, bringing together policy as code, infrastructure as code, keyless authentication, and automated pipelines, so every change is consistently validated and deployed securely. And that completes this cloud security automation series. The full lab guide and all the code is linked in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.